Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. Here's another gift concept that we can do using those Dollar Tree mugs. And this is one of the black charcoal looking mugs that we are calling the diamond mugs from Dollar Tree. I paired this with the Goddess perfume from Rainbow, and I placed them on top of a mirror glass pedestal. And then I took the roses that I got from Temu and attached them to the pedestal. So here are our roses, our Goddess perfume, and our cup. And then I topped this with a bow to match it. I think this gift concept has turned out beautifully. And I didn't want to shrink wrap it because I didn't want to move the straw somewhere else. So I left the straw there and I used the regular cellophane wrap for it. And again, I think that this is a beautiful concept. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. I used some satin ribbon just to top the top of the bag with, because I didn't want to take away from the bow, and give it a little accent and place the flower. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.